Kaku Jordan, owned and managed by Richard Jordan. And Celtic, Nelson Nicong and Noli Naval with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Muna na boy na kasumintan ha? Tiyan mo na boy na? Cougars. Tama ka na boyo?